Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it will not cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description in case you wanted to pick up some of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. These things are probably the best in the world. I trust Philips for everything I do. I have their lighting in my house. I use the lighting inside the car. And the really nice thing is the fog lights today, they're using halogens, which look like these. And they don't match the HID, the high intensity discharge headlights that they have, which are the best. The minute you turn the switch, they're instant on, full brightness. We're putting these in fog lights. Philips is the leading manufacturer in the world for LED technology. They are H16 LEDs, and they also fit, and they are truly 6000K. It has a 3-year limited warranty, but right on the website it says 12-year lifetime. So these are expected to last 12 years. I've had mine for 3 years in my car, not a problem, not a hiccup. The one thing I will tell you is you have to be very careful how you mount these because you don't want to stress the wires, and I'll show you what I mean. Very well packaged, as you can see. This is how they come. And basically what you're getting is the 2 bulbs. Here is the bulb, and you also get 2 cable ties or zip ties. Put this inside here like so. I actually put the cable tie through it like this, and I will cable tie this around an existing wiring harness like this. This is all heat shrink sealed, very, very nice quality, very high-end stuff. As you can see, the headlights are a nice blue, very nice color. Fog lights are the halogens, really dim, dismal yellow. These again are the LED headlights, which have a nice blue, clean color to them. Very good at night, very bright. These are the old school halogens. So we're gonna take this out and replace this with the Philips LEDs. Here is the tire. You wanna get underneath here like so. So what you're gonna wanna do is take out the 2 black ones on the end and the 1 silver one. You could use a Philips #2 or a Philips #3 screwdriver if you wanna do that. Or you could use a 10mm socket. I don't have a 10mm on me, so I'm just gonna use the Philips for now. Again, when you put these back in, just make sure not to over tighten them. You don't wanna strip these because they're only going into soft plastic. So just push this back. And what this does is it gives you access in here inside where the fog lights are. The yellow and white wire, which I'm pointing to, that's the harness that's going into the fog light. You can see it's lit up right there, right where my finger's pointing. So what you want to do is put your finger on top of the outside edge and squeeze it and just pull down. In between my fingers, you have to push down on that tab right there. Just squeeze it with your, pinch it with your fingers and then pull away from the bulb. So as you can see, this is the bulb right here. We turn it counterclockwise, turn it to the left. There it is. As you can see, you turn it to the side like so and it comes right out. Never ever want to put a bulb down like this with the glass on the ground. I'm not going to be reusing this, so that's okay. This is the LED. This is the comparison. It's a little bit longer, not too much. This is the important part right here. 3 tabs that look like a triangle. As you can see, they both have the metal tabs. Right here, this is an H16 Osram. This is made in Germany, very high quality. It's got metal tabs on it. And the nice thing about the Philips, which most of the bulbs, the cheap knockoff ones made in China, don't have, is this is an entirely aluminum housing. So as you could hear, that's metal. The entire thing is aluminum. Very, very nice. Good for heat dissipation, very lightweight, very, very high quality. You are getting what you pay for, believe me. They're very expensive. They're twice the price of other fog lights, but again, they get a 12-year shelf life and a 3-year warranty, especially if you're leasing a car, which we are right now. I've had these exact same bulbs in my other RAV4 for 3 years with 0 problems. When you mount these, what you want to do is don't have this hanging and don't have this pull like this. Don't pull this way or don't pull this way on the wire. You don't want to squeeze these too much. Just make sure you have a really wide curve when you bend these. Like I said, that's the only thing you got to do. Just make sure you're not pulling on any of the ends of the harness, and they will not short out and they will not give you a problem. So you're just going to insert it like this. It's actually going to go sideways, and then you're going to turn it like this to lock in place. Going into that gray piece right up there. Once you get these installed, plug this end here that's hanging into the factory harness that we took off the bulb. As you can see, it is plugged into the factory harness, and now all we have to do is just cable tie this onto part of the car. Show you the dexterity I have. I'm doing this with one hand right now. This piece, the wire's not stressed. It's got a nice wide curve and arc. It's not being bent. So that's it. And as you can see, the fog lights are working. So all we gotta do is just put this back together. Slide this piece here underneath and put that over the top of it, under that like so. And then it goes on top of the white piece. Get that started. Put that one inside there like so. Go till it stops, but just do not over tighten it. There it is, it's tight, it's not gonna come loose. So all three of these are tightened. This one's tightened, very good, all the way back. Just make sure this piece is underneath here, inside here like so. And that is all you have to do. So this is all good to go. Good to go. And that's it. Now we get some beautiful LED fog lights, and this is what they look like. They look tremendous. Gonna give a lot more light on the road. So I've got matching LED headlights and matching fog lights. This is what the factory ones look like. They do look really bright in the video, only because that's the way the video takes it. But in real life, they do not blind you. They do not dazzle you or oncoming drivers. So that's what they look like. This is gonna give you a lot more light on the road and give you a lot more safety. And 3 years peace of mind without even having to worry about it or take this apart again. So if you wanted to help support this channel, again, it's not going to cost you anything. Just use the links in the description down below if you wanted to pick up some of these for yourself. And if you can, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below, because I am always here to get back to you. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Drive safe. Take care.